I'm from Boroma, the western city of Somaliland. I'm always confused about the Somalian history. It's not shared all the time. But at the time when the civil war broke out in Somalia, there was a SNM movement fighting against the Siad Barre government, and we, people from the Awdal, we were supporting at that time the regime of Mohammed Siad Barre. And when Mohammed Siad Barre government collapsed, the elders from both sides, they come together and they form what's called now a Somalia. But I don't know what's wrong with the Somaliland officials. All the time when they go outside, the international community, they told SNM all the time. But also SNM doesn't represent the people who live in the northern part of Somaliland. The people who live in Las Ano, they are not part of SNM movement, and the people where I'm from, Boroma, we are not part of SNM. So to be partial and to represent the people from all the Somali regions, why they do not always tell the truth about the formation of what's called Somaliland and leave what's called SNM. SNM, they did a genocide in the other region in 1991, nearly they killed nearly 600 people in the other region. And if you all the time repeat and all the time tell us SNM, they did this thing and they are freedom fighters for how the Somaliland will be progressed.
A historical question.
Yes, historical question, yes. Well, I agree. Not everybody supported the Somali national movement. And that's the truth. But the Somali national movement was part of the history of Somaliland. The fact that we were a British protectorate is part of our history. We cannot deny it. The fact that we were part of Somalia is part of our history. We cannot deny it. So I think we cannot bury some of our history. Of course, we should not, we should have to be fair to all parties in our history and tell everybody's role and position in our history. But SNM was part of our history. We cannot escape that. But I think also everybody, I mentioned, and I think everybody mentions the role the Boroma community played in the reconciliation process. Because they were really the leading community in the reconciliation process following 1991. In Burao, in Shay, in Boroma, and since then. So I think that's credited to them and mentioned as well, and should be mentioned, and has been part and parcel of Somaliland since, political structure, as you know. But if there's any impartiality, if you sense, you let us know.